you ready to answer hard financial questions across all your business entities? Do you struggle to consolidate information across multiple business units? Can you perform real-time analysis on combined financial and operational information? Are tough decisions documented in the context of your business information for future reference? Are you GAAP compliant and audit ready? Introducing Intacct, the cloud ERP meeting these demands in high-growth companies, including an ever-growing number of public companies. Let me briefly show you Intacct's tools to keep you in control of your growing organization. We start with a built-in, role-based dashboard that instantly captures financial and operational information from across a business. The business in this example is a growing real estate company that has multiple offices. They're dealing with commercial property, residential property, and property management. The tools and processes are equally applicable to a franchise or dental office or any kind of growing business. The managers in each office see just their part of the business. Commercial just sees commercial, residential just sees residential, and so on. While the CFO and the CEO can see information across all the offices. With recent adjustments to the lending rate, the board wants to convene this afternoon and discuss business impacts. In the CFO view of the commercial property office, we instantly see the latest financial and operational analysis in key performance indicators. We can see that revenue and revenue per customer is up. Drilling down into the data, we instantly see the transactions driving that growth. Jumping over to the residential office, we see the transaction volume is up, but rising interest rates may be tempering selling prices, leading to lower revenue per deal and an overall drop in revenue. Because municipality is a dimension tracked with each deal, we can break out deals by municipality and see how they stack up. This lets us know that we're getting the most profitable deals in Holiday, while Draper seems to be less attractive at the moment. Jumping over to the property management office, it focuses less on individual deals and more on monthly billing. The automated processes behind the billing and revenue forecasts, like scheduled billing and automated revenue recognition, keep revenue predictable, and more importantly, they keep the company GAAP compliant. Looking at these three different offices, we see that they have different focuses but a shared chart of accounts. And the board wants the top-down picture this afternoon. Because Intacct allows consolidation at any time, finance can simply consolidate and pull up information from across the organization. If you work across borders in multiple currencies, it consolidates to a single base currency for consistent analysis. As you can see in this top view, overall we're doing well. Beyond tracking what you did and when you did it, it's important to track why you did it. Rather than relying on emails, Intacct provides a consistent front-to-back office compliance tool. You collaborate on decisions and then document those decisions in the context of financial records they relate to. Note the CFO's comment. We see that a strong commercial section and modest growth in property management has more than offset the residential concerns. Notice the included snapshot of the graph, now permanently stored as part of the conversation. A follow-up note from the CEO says, because of this consolidation, we see that we need to shift residential focus toward properties in Holiday, and that should lift the residential profit ratios. Good job on pulling this together so quickly. A year from now, when executives are discussing why they shifted focus, they can replace recollections and speculation with a documented decision and audit trail. Even with offices working in one-off sales and recurring revenue, Intacct provides essential decision-making visibility into the business. With dozens or even hundreds of entities, the process is the same. In summary, using Intacct's dashboards as a starting point, we analyze the strategy in real time using financial and operational data consolidated from across the organization. We drill down to see the meaning behind the numbers, the transactions, and the collaborative conversations. Executives were able to define the problem and decide what to do next. And then, and this is important, they were able to document those decisions, capturing a record for future discussions. Along the way, automated processes keep the company GAAP compliant and audit ready. And because the company has been so successful, it's been able to quickly add offices and keep growing. Now listen to what actual customers said about taking charge of their growing organization with Intacct. Visit intacct.com/customer videos.